So today we're doing Reed's Run in Lancaster. We're going to House Rock. It's only like 10 degrees outside. So, I mean, maybe it's not too smart, but hopefully we get some good picks. Here's some rock formations. I'm pretty. Susquehanna River's down there. There's some good views along the Susquehanna. I know it's kind of hard to see with the trees in the way, but it almost looks all frozen over. I mean, it is only 10 degrees right now. Went on a little rock cliff here that I had to scramble down to get to. See really good views of the Susquehanna. Another view up here along the Reed's Run Nature Trail. So you can kind of see it, but there's like really cold air coming out of these, I guess they're caves or holes in the ground. It's creating these very cold air. It's actually freezing inside. Man, it's fucking cold. So we're almost at House Rock. Really good views of the Susquehanna. And it's right up there, so we'll be going to it shortly. So we made it up to House Rock. Very, very good views. Just a little cold. Little cold. And it looks like the Susquehanna is mostly frozen over. So here's another view of House Rock. A little further down, another rock outcrop. So here's some ruins. We're almost back to the parking area on House Rock. It's a silo, it looks like. And then the foundation of either a barn or a house. And it's gated, it says posted, keep out. More foundations by the parking area. And there were some foundations down there as well.